sooner you find this guy, the better our pay.
Hey, man.
I know GJ's been moving stuff around for Faber's client, Chris Fromage. We're soon to make a drop of clean money today. So, if you want to clean this mess up, we need both the runner and the money to be safe. Just hit me up if you need help, but you got that big brain energy, boss. I know you got this. Plus, Mr. Faber's got access to all my shit. If I fuck around with GPS too much, you'll realize something's up. So if you solve this stuff on your own, you can have a cut of my pay. Gotcha, boss. Give me 1 second, I'll see what I can do. Okay, you seeing that? Nearby.
Buddy out. You are my guardian fucking angel, you know that? Oh shit! Thanks.
I hear GJ.
Hey, let's not hang around. Listen, I know you guys must be freaking out, but I didn't say shit. I mean, okay, I told him where I dropped the money, but I didn't say nothing about you or Raph or Epsilon. I swear. Oh, dang! But I didn't say nothing about you or Raph or Epsilon. I swear. Those guys, I think they went straight to the lockup. You gotta watch out. Oh, we're gonna make it! Oh, thank you. And thank Raph for me, okay?
You You seen the lockup on your GPS? That's where GJ stashed the cash. Remember, those guys who jumped GJ could be there already. Don't let them get to you, too. Man, the amount of money GJ moves for Epsilon is wild. But hey, I guess those fancy outfits don't pay for themselves, huh? Sorry, protein break. Gotta get in the grind, am I right? Ah, shit, they've already got the stash. Go, 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 get them! Yes, boss, yes! Nice, keep going. Yeah, don't let those fuckers bring you down. We gotta recover all the cash. Smack him hard. When you're ready, Epsilon sends someone to collect the cash. She'll be waiting at that location. That's the last one. Almost there, boss.
Kiflam.
Kiflong, or whatever the fuck Epsilon says. I don't know, not my thing.